welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to share with you what I have learned from applying to study in abroad. Well, it's obvious that most of you have thought in studying abroad at least once in your lifetime. Some of you may know that it's a very tedious task, and I'm here to help you make this task simple and systematic. Studying in abroad has its advantages as well as its disadvantages. But once you receive your offer letter, everything just sets right into it. In this video, I want to share with you my knowledge about why you should apply in foreign countries for studying as well as for job opportunities, and what all you require as documents and other requirements that they ask from you. Before we start, why don't you check out the description below where you will find the Telegram channel named by Fardu Coupon. There they provide you with free Udemy courses on daily basis. To start off, we will discuss the pros and cons of studying in abroad. Well, the advantages that you may be familiar with include better job opportunities, better quality of education, that includes they provide courses that might not be available in your home country. Second, they provide more industry experience. That is, during the course of study, they will help you learn the industry related projects and processes. The other advantages that you might be familiar with but are also important include language and communication skills. That is, you have to make friends and colleagues there, so you will need to get out of your comfort zone and talk to them. Well, this also includes that you will get a global reach. You will have many friends and colleagues all over the globe. The other thing is no tuition fees. Some countries like Germany, Norway and etc. provide you with free education. That is, the public colleges ask for no fees. Some disadvantages to studying in abroad include expenses. It is quite expensive. The living expenditure is around 10 lakhs per annum. The second is the cultural shock. That is, you might not be able to adapt to this new environment. The third and the main disadvantage is employability and other opportunities that you may lack in your home country. This is because the foreign college that you might apply in might not be recognized back in your home country. According to their priorities, let's talk about the documents and the things that almost every university requires from you around the globe. Well, the primary or the key component that they require is the SOP or Statement of Purpose. It's an essay that talks about why you want to pursue that course and why you want to pursue this course from that particular university. This says a lot about you, so you have to make sure that it is your top priority. Make it as intriguing as possible. The second thing that they ask for is the English proficiency test. This you can take from IELTS, TOEFL and other exams. Well, this is required because most of the universities around the globe consider English as their second language. So they will ask if you have to study their primary language like German, Japanese, Chinese, etc. or you want to give the course in English language. The third thing that they require from you are the letter of recommendations. So for those, you have to get 2 letters of recommendations from your faculties, from your previous college, and 1 letter of recommendation from any person in your work life. The fourth thing that may be required includes calling and getting a supervisor. This means that you have to contact a faculty in that particular branch where you want to take admission in and get them to take you as their apprentice. Thank you for your support, and I hope I was of some help to you. If you have any particular doubt regarding your daily life or any such problem that may include your academics, your life or your work, then please contact me in the comment section or contact me through my Instagram ID. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.